Hi everyone, welcome back to the live streaming. I am doing live streaming on this channel. I don't know, after such a long time. I think it's almost more than a year, I think so. But I am really sorry, I am not consistent on this channel. The reason behind this is I am working on lots of other projects, and whatever things I had to teach you guys, I have already teach you each and everything. By the way, I missed you all. This is the only one reason I am doing a surprise live streaming tonight. So those who are new here, kindly like this live streaming. And if you have any doubt, feel free to let me know. I will definitely help you. और किसी को हिंदी में पूछना है मेरे भाई, तो आप हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हैं जो भी सवाल है, और हम जवाब देने की कोशिश करेंगे. लॉट्स ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स आर आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू फॉर यू गाइस. और अभी हम लाइव क्लास के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, तो डैट वेरी सुन आई विल स्टार्ट अ लाइव क्लास. क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम जब हमने शुरू किया था, लास्ट टाइम मेनी पीपल आस्क मी टू डू अ लाइव क्लास, and they also ready to pay the fees and all, so I will let you know. But I am planning it for you guys, and I have already opened a new website where you can learn CCNA for free of cost. So lots of new announcements are there. I will let you know very soon. Today's topic is secret of IP address. Okay, first of all, kindly write it down in the comment section below who are there and those who really love my videos. So I want to know your feedback. So that I will get little confident that my audience are still love me. And how many of you think that you really know everything about IP address? Let me know. I will also start a Zoom session today only, tonight, don't worry. But first of all, I want to know how many audience are joining, so that if everybody come, then we are going to start the Zoom class after 10-15 minutes. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to start a Zoom class, and it is absolutely free, do not worry. 3 likes, thank you very much. But I am not getting any comments. कोई हिंदी में जाना चाहे भाई, आपको हिंदी में समझाऊंगा. जिसको इंग्लिश में आता है उसको हम इंग्लिश में समझाएंगे, ठीक है? डोंट वरी. दोज हु आस्क क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन देम इन हिंदी. Those who ask question in English, I will explain them in English. But as of now, I haven't received any comment. Whether my live streaming is clear, let me know. Mohit Gupta has joined. Mohit, welcome Mohit ji, welcome. स्वागत है आपका. You are the first person to comment on this live session. Thank you very much. How can I help you, Mohit? Yes, sir. What a brilliant day. Thank you very much. I am very happy. I don't know what's going on in my mind. Let's do a live streaming tonight. So just now I came a live streaming just to talk to you guys. And good evening, sir. Good evening, GR Education. Good evening. Thank you very much. I'm little nervous because I am doing a live session after such a long time. That's the one reason. So by mistake, if I do something, then I'm really sorry for that in advance. I'm asking sorry. But most probably, I should not do any mistakes in this session. Yes. I will teach you about IP address, alright? I think many people know what is IP address, but there are lots of secret questions, right? If I ask you, you may get definitely confused. Like exactly what will be the correct answer? All of this doubt I'm going to solve for you guys. Hi bro, hello Ipa Praveen. Thank you very much for joining. Sir, want to know about dark web. Darknet and dark web. Dark web is a place where lots of illegal things are happening. It's not only about illegal things. There are many things that is not available for public user in the internet, right? That is not good for us. That is not good for normal people. That secrets will get in the dark web, and easily you cannot access the dark web. Okay. There are certain tricks that are used to access the dark web. About CCNA, about networking, do you have any doubt? Let me know so that I will try to let you know all the answers. Only 6 minutes, okay? Just wait for 6 minutes and I will give you a Zoom ID and you can join the Zoom class, okay? Sir, क्या बता सकते हो सबनेट मास्क एंड प्राइवेट आईपी एड्रेस? श्योर श्योर, जरूर बताएंगे मेरे भाई, जरूर बताएंगे, डू नॉट वरी, सारे सवाल का जवाब देगा आपका अभिषेक सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच, डोंट वरी। आप डायरेक्टली लाइव क्लास से बात करना, ठीक है, आपको लाइव सेशन आपको देंगे हम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। मॉर्निंग स्टार 492, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। CCNA, yes. So tell me, it's not easy to explain, okay? Heroine has joined. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, Heroine, for joining this live session. Love you all. I want to surf that. It is not easy to surf, my brother. It is not easy. You are great, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is the only one channel, you know, whenever I open this channel, see the comment section, like lots of appreciations I get from you guys that motivate me to provide you all a better content. But suddenly, you know, but I stopped making networking content because I got out of topics. But recently, let's start a new journey. I want to know about layers. Layers means 7 layers. All right. Glad to see you back. Thank you very much, Heroine. Thank you very much. See, 7 layers. There are 7 layers in a OSI model. What do you want to know about the layers? It only explains you how data travels from one device to another in a network, right? See, in a networking, I will tell you, like, don't get into so much deep. You will get confused, okay? You know, in some things you must have a questions, have a doubt. But if you go in deep on each and every section, you will get lots of confuse, okay? Uh, your OSA model video was the best. Thank you very much, Dear Education. Thank you very much. See, I am not perfect, I know, okay? So whatever doubt I used to have, right? I used to find those doubts and solve myself, and then I will used to create a video. That's the only one reason my subscribers loved my videos. Little working knowledge of 7 layers. Kindly watch the video, you will get overall all the ideas, okay? For example, in the physical layer, we do all the physical connectivity. In data link layer, the data get converted into frame. In network layer, right, framing and MAC address and all things are happen in a data link layer. Once it reaches to the network layer, routers comes into the place, and in network layer that frames get converted into packets, and it transfer to the transport layer. Their data converted into a small chunk that we call segments, that is a small part. After that, it is going to forward to the upper layer. That's the only basic function. Please, sir, create video on port address. Port address, what kind of video? Let me know. Okay, let's start the Zoom class so that if somebody will join newly, then they can also join the class. All right. Okay, so I'm going to start the Zoom class right now. Wait. Thank you, sir. Okay. Port number. All right, I will try to make a video on that topic. All right. Okay. I will take a note. All right. Okay. Wattpad. I'm going to take a note. That is port number. Keep sharing me ideas that will help me to provide you content. All right. Copy invitation. Start. Hello, hello. Join with computer audio. Hello, hello. Okay, it's working now. So I'm sharing you a Zoom ID. Kindly join me. Okay. I hope you already have a Zoom application. If there is no Zoom application, then kindly download it. And okay, Zoom ID. It is very long ID. Wait. Yeah, here is the ID. So kindly click the link and come first. Password it's 261039. All right. And there is a good news. Those who are joining right now, I will take 4 or 5 classes for absolutely free. Those who are joining, there will be a very good surprise. But after that, the class is going to be paid. So those who are joining recently in new sessions and all, so there is a big beneficial for you guys. So I'm waiting for you. Come first. Actually, I forgot how to operate this Zoom classes and all. But okay, no problem. All right, let's do it. This is the first attempt, but we will try. Zoom ID I have provided in the chat box. So join first. I'm waiting for you. Until then, if anybody have any doubt, you can ask me. I will be happy to help you guys. And today's class is all about the secret of IP address. Let me type here. All right. Today's topic is the secret of IP address. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah. Morning Star 492 has joined this session. Uh, am I audible? Hello, Morning Star 492.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're comfortable with English or Hindi?
Both.
Both. Your name?
Roshan Raj,
Roshan Raj. Where are you from?
Bihar, Hajipur.
बिहार से हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
ओके ग्रेट. बाकी कोई आया नहीं अभी, चलो इंतज़ार करते हैं तब तक.
Okay, sir.
शेयर स्क्रीन. डिस्प्ले प्रेजेंटेशन. ऑलराइट. आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा होगा ना मेरा अभी लैपटॉप का प्रेजेंटेशन?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके कूल. ओके. And guys, those who are new here, I have shared you the Zoom ID. Okay, if you are interested, you can join me, or else you can just enjoy the stream. ऑलराइट, आपने नाम क्या बताया अपना?
Awesome, Raj.
रोशन, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ओके। इसका क्या सेटिंग था यार, माउस का मैं भूल गया। एक मिनट, दिक्कत होगा फिर तो। तो अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
Actually, learning about OS top 10 vulnerabilities,
हम्म।
and just I want to revise. So I joined your live session on YouTube.
ओके, सो
Just want to revise CCNA too.
okay, so you have already did the CCNA course earlier?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just
Okay.
want to revise because
All,
didn't recorded any video.
okay, okay, great. So how long,
Everything is in.
how long you did the
Uh,
course? When?
I started last September and ended it in December. Sorry, last November.
So you did online class or offline?
Yes, online class.
Okay, okay, okay.
I learned everything. Just I want to revise only 7 layers of OSI model because it's working little working structure. Just want to learn that part.
All
Okay.
right, okay.
So, just want to revise it again.
Mapping left. 1 minute, mouse. But our today's topic is about IP address, but by no problem, I will try to explain
Yes,
you
sir.
a few things about OSI model now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So how many layers do we have in OSI model?
7 layers, sir.
Good. 1 minute. And what are they?
Sir, will I start from physical or application?
You should always start from the physical because this is the first layer
Okay,
of
sir.
OSI model.
Okay, sir. Actually, I really need to revise because I am able to learn all these in one segment: physical layer, data link layer, and network layer, transportation layer,
Mm-hmm.
and number fifth. Actually, I forget about number fifth.
Wait, I will try to remember you. Tell me first one. What you told? First is physical layer, right?
Physical. Yes, sir.
Physical data link, then network,
Network,
then
transportation,
okay, then
and I just forget about number fifth, and I
it
know about
is session.
session, presentation, and application.
Good. And application, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here in physical layer, what's happened? All the physical connectivity take place. All right. For example, we
Yes,
connect
sir.
we connect cables to the devices and all, right? So all of this physical
Yes,
connectivity
sir.
takes place in the physical layer. In data link layer, basically devices work such as switch.
Yes, sir. Switch.
Yeah. Why switch?
Switch works on layer two. Yes, sir.
Switch works on a layer 2 device. Why it is
Yes,
called a
sir.
layer 2 device? Because it stores the MAC address.
Yes, sir.
So MAC address table is stored in the data link layer of the OSI model, and the time data reached in the data link layer, the data get converted into frames, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now next is it will go to network layer. The time data reached to network layer, it convert into
Frames,
no frame in data link layer, right? In network layer, what it will be?
packets.
Good. It is packet, right?
Yes, sir.
Network layer device. Can you give me one example?
Router.
Okay.
That
In
works on layer 3.
yes, router works on layer 3, and there is one more device that is called layer 3 switch, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So router works in layer 3. Router stores what? MAC address or IP address?
So router generally modulates or demodulates analog signal to digital signals.
No, it. I'm asking.
It stores IP address, sir.
Yes, it stores IP address, right? So IP address
Yes, sir.
works
Yes, sir.
on which layer of OSI model?
Third layer.
Third layer. So if somebody asks you, tell me one network layer protocol, then you can tell this, right? Internet
Yes,
protocol
sir.
works under network layer of OSI model. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
again,
sir.
it goes to transport layer. In transport layer, what happens? Data convert into
Segments.
segments. Segment means small parts, right?
Yes, sir.
And basically here two protocols works. That is
TCP, UDP.
good. TCP and UDP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the difference between these two layers? Do you know?
Transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol.
Yeah. So what is difference between these two protocol?
As I far know about that, YouTube uses user datagram protocol, but WhatsApp text messages uses TCP protocols.
Yeah, but why? Can
Due
you
to
can you elaborate? Can you explain
this
how?
is because of transmission control protocol starts with a session and just in with a session acknowledgement. But UDP protocols does not follow these rules and flow continuously from one point to another point.
Okay. Now, for example, if you are going to attend the interview and all right, so they will simply ask you, tell me what is the difference between TCP and UDP.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you must be able to explain, right? If you know the basics, means definitely it is very easy to understand. It is very very simple. Okay. See, as we know that data is get converted into segment, means small parts, right? So TCP ensures that all the data reach to the destination in a serial order, right? If you are sending a message to somebody, first you send hi, then you send my name, for example, right?
Yes, sir.
So TCP ensures that the first hi should reach to the people, after that only your name should reach in a serial order, right? for
Yes, sir.
example
Yes, sir.
for example, instead of hi it reach my name, then it will reach hi, then it is not looking good, right? So it ensures that whatever data you are sending, it's reach in this serial order, and all the segments must reach to the destination. It is in a small part. For example, two segments reach and these two segments didn't reach, so your data will work, it is not going to work, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the main function of TCP. But in UDP, what it did is it will simply send the data. Okay, it will simply send the data. If, for example, 2-3 packets didn't reach the destination, it will drop the packet. It is not going to resend it. It will simply drop it. For example, you are doing a video call to someone, right? If the network
Sir.
drop, for example, what I am saying, suddenly network drop, then will you able to listen it again?
No,
No,
sir.
no, right? Why? Because it
Yes.
uses user datagram protocol, that is called UDP.
Yes, sir.
So this definition is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now after this, it came session layer. So session layer, what it do is it's established a session between two systems. For example, you are doing something, one dialog box is going to open here, right? For example, it will ask you to enter the username, password, something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so all of these things controlled by session layer of OSI model. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now next is presentation layer. Presentation layer is for like how it is means how your data is going to presented to the destination. For example, I have sent you one PowerPoint file, right? So can you open with a Word document?
No, sir.
No, right? So presentation layer decides how you are going to present the data. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is application layer. This you know, right? We use application to access the data. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Thank you, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. Is anybody else join the session or only you?
Yes, sir. Only me.
Only you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now you know about IP address.
Yes, sir.
So how many classes of IP address we have?
Five,
So can you tell me the ranges of IP address? Class A IP address starts from?
0 to 127.
Wait 1 minute. 0 to
127.
it's 127 or 126?
Actually, 126, but 127 is added as a loopback address, so
Yeah,
it is written in only class AIP addresses.
but no. If somebody asks you, right, what is the ranges of
Yes,
class A
sir.
IP address? If you tell 0 to 127 means it is wrong.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
IP address
Um,
that we can use, we're going to only mention that address only. So it is 0 to 126. 127 we cannot use in a network. So it is not count. Done?
yes, sir.
Okay, class B starts from?
128 to 191.
Good. Okay, class C?
192 to 223.
Okay, class D?
224 to 240. Sorry, 239.
Good. Next?
240 to 255.
Okay. Now let me ask you one simple question. Okay. Actually, even I had also this doubt only few days back only I have got this answer exactly what is the correct answer. But I had doubts from last 10 years. So let me
Okay, sir.
see whether you know the answer or not.
Okay,
Uh,
sir. Okay.
as we know that 127 is a loopback address, correct? We cannot
Yes,
use in
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
network, so we didn't enter there.
Yes.
But
Yes, sir.
can we use zero in a can we use zero in a network?
Zero in a network
Hmm.
or in local network.
In any network, like if IP address starts from, for example, 000 for example, so can we use this
Uh,
IP address
I
in a
think
network?
I think no, sir, because how can we subnet it or an extra
Yeah,
file? As
yeah.
far I know by knowledge, zero cannot be used as using IP address. It should only be written or as a known that class A IP addresses starts from 0 to 126.
No, but there must be reason, right? If you are selling that 0 to 126 means 0 must be usable, or else you should say it starts from 1 to 126. Why you said 0 to 126 if you cannot use this IP address?
If we start from 0.0.0.1,
So then first IP
then
address should be 1.
yes, sir,
Then why it is
then it will be
why you said 0? It is 0 or 1?
sir. If we write 0.0.0.1,
Hmm.
then it should be usable. Maybe I exactly didn't know.
See, I am telling you, the secret behind this, it is very, very simple. Okay. 0
Yes,
IP
sir.
address, we can use it in a network. See, whenever you are configuring a router, right, there is one
Okay,
concept.
sir.
There is one concept by the name default routing.
Okay,
Do you
okay,
know
okay.
about it?
Yes,
Default.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
in
Default
default
route.
routing, we used to put 0.0.0.0. That means this router don't know the exact route about the destination, how to go, right? So here we used to
Yes, sir.
configure 0.0.0. It is going to forward the data to the just next router. Now
Yes, sir. Yes,
this
sir.
router will decide how to send the data. So we're using this IP address in a network, right?
Hmm.
Got it?
I
So
just understand that use it in a single provided network.
yeah, no, this is a tricky part. Okay, so if
Okay,
now
sir.
now
That's
you, I think you got clear idea, right? Why is zero
yes,
is
sir.
the
Yes,
answer
sir.
from 0? And
Yes, sir. Yes,
there are
sir.
many people who said IP address starts from 1 to 126. So that was wrong. If you search in Google also, you will get many results that will say it will start from 1 to 126, but this is wrong. IP address always starts from 0 to 126. Clear?
Yes, I think that it is used specifically for one part, so I didn't say it.
Mm-hmm.
As I know, default routing always needs 0.0.0.0.
Mm-hmm. Okay, done. Now let's see another. What more questions are there? Okay, you know the subnet mask, right? Subnet
Yes,
mask.
sir.
What is the subnet mask of class A?
Class A, /8.
Okay, this is CIDR value, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the subnet mask. It is 255 dot.
Sorry, 255.0.0.0.
Okay, now class B.
255.255.0.0.0.
Class C.
255.255.255.0.
Okay, good. So basically, the basics doubts you already have clear, right? There is no too much
Yes, sir.
doubt you have that I am able to see, and all the doubts are already clear to you. Only few more small doubts are there that need to be
Yes,
clear,
sir. Yes,
but
sir.
it is very easy, no problem. You can do it.
So I think about only tricky questions and some missing parts, just like I didn't revise it, so I just unable to
Yeah, the thing is, see,
answer.
in a network, see, if in a network we basically what teacher are going to tell us that there are two classes, there are five classes of IP address. They are going to tell the ranges of IP address, their subnet mask. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
They are not going to explain in depth why it starts from zero. Okay, you
Yes,
told,
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, you told 127 is a loopback address, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is loopback address?
Simply loopback address is used in our own personal network. For example, if I uses my mobile network
Mm-hmm.
to share hotspot or just to using simple HTTP server using any application. So here we uses loopback addresses.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I don't know about this.
I know if I use my laptop personal hotspot and try to connect other, then it shows about my loopback addresses in mobile network, or maybe
Is
the
it going?
IP
Have you
address
checked?
provide.
Will it see? Will it show you 127?
Uh, uh, Sir, an application named Simple HTTP server by an Android. When I uses it in my Wi-Fi, it shows the IP addresses of my mobile provided to IP provided singly, that is 192.168.0.1 anything.
Yeah,
But when I uses my mobile network, it shows 127.0.0.1.
you are telling whenever you are using mobile hotspot.
Yes, sir.
No, it
Mobile
should.
hotspot, no, simple HTTP server created by an application. Then it allows 127.0.0.1 colon 80.
Can you check it once again?
Yes, sir. Just give me 10 seconds.
Okay, just check and tell me because I'm not sure whether it will show or not.
Yes, sir.
What it is showing?
HTTP colon / 127.0.0.1 colon 8080.
Where you are checking on your phone.
Yes, sir. In simple HTTP server application using mobile data.
Okay, but the thing is, it is not it is not telling that you are using that particular IP address. You are getting a reply from your network card. Okay, the
Yes,
thing
sir.
is what 127 is do is see 127, right? This is a loopback
Yes, sir.
address. For example,
Yes,
I
sir.
have this is a network, right? This is a PC. There are lots of PC in a network, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But for example, suddenly my device is unable to connect to the network. You checked everything, everything is working fine, but this particular one device is unable to connect to the network. So last option what you can do is you can just ping, okay, ping
Yes, sir.
127.0.0.1. What it does is it is going to reply back from the NIC card itself, means you are loop back, okay, you are sending request to your own NIC card, and you are getting from your reply from you are getting reply from your own NIC card only. Got it? It is in a loop.
Yes, sir.
You sent a
Just to
request.
check hardware
Yeah,
working properly or
yeah,
not.
and you got a request reply, right? If you got the reply means your NIC is working fine. If you don't get
Yes, sir.
reply means there is a problem with the NIC card.
Yes, sir.
So if somebody asks you what is loopback address, then you can explain them loopback IP address starts from 127 and it is used to identify the faulty device in a network. That's it.
Okay, sir.
This must be the simple answer.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now any more doubt you have related to IP address?
No, sir. Somebody is added in our Zoom meeting.
Okay. Let me check the live stream. Okay, I was expected many people to join, but nobody has joined. Only you have joined the live session. No problem.
And I just joined suddenly. I just joined suddenly instead of practicing anything else.
Yeah,
Just think that
see, if
just
you know
join and
everything,
doing the
also if
work.
you join means it is going to recall, right? You are going to reminder.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, any doubt you have related to IP address?
No, sir. Nothing out.
No doubts.
If you move further, may something occurred in my mind.
Do you know about subnetting?
Yes, sir. Just need to revise, but I recall it again tonight.
All right. For example, 192.168.10.1, okay, slash 30. Now
Sir,
from
you are writing it on your screen or not, sir?
I am writing on the screen. What you are not able to see?
It is, yes, sir, unable to see.
Okay. And earlier I have written. Have you seen that one?
No, sir, but I recall it in my mind to just to remember.
Okay. Okay. I thought you were able to see. Wait 1 minute. Then what to do next?
Mouse is now your mouse is, yeah, unable. Yes, sir.
Wait. Wait. Share screen. Share. Display 4. Okay, let me explain in the whiteboard. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in subnet mask, right? For example, I am going to write here 192.168.10.1, okay, slash 30. Now tell me how many network you will get here, how many hosts you will get on each network, and what will be the subnet mask.
Okay, give me 10 seconds. Just write it in slash 30. So this is class C, 3 network part and 1 host part, and these are networks. So class C has default CIDR value is 24,
Mm-hmm.
but here CIDR value is 30. So the host part will be um, last two 32. So network part goes to 30. Just need to revise it again.
Do you know the formula? Have you? I think have you watched my video that related to subnet mask?
No, sir. Actually, every part consists of 8 bits.
Mm-hmm.
So here only 2 bits left on right side, that is only two host part, and other left part that is 30 just able to represent network part.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right, sir?
Yeah, let me explain you. And one more thing, like I'm using a trial version of this Zoom meeting. Okay, so if
Yes, sir.
after 10 minutes it is going to end the session, so you can
Okay, sir.
re-click on the link and you can rejoin it.
Okay, sir.
Same link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in class C IP address, see by default 24 bits are reserved for the network, right?
Yes, sir.
And the remaining 8 bits are reserved for the host, correct?
Yes, sir.
But here our CIDR value is 30, means we have to borrow 6 bits from the
6
host.
host.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yes, sir.
The formula to find the network ID is 2 to the power n. Okay, here n indicates number of bits borrowed from host. Okay, you can take a note also, you may get forget later. Done.
Yes, right. Yes, sir.
So here 2 to the power n means here how many bits we have borrowed from the host?
6
6, right? So let's write here 6. 2 to the power 6 how much?
64
2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64.
64.
Done. So type here
Yes, sir.
64. It means here you will get 64 network, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me how many hosts you will get on each network.
Sir,
Any?
there only remains only 2 in host part.
Yeah, 1 minute.
2 to the power n minus 2. It means 62. Yes, sir. 2 to the power n minus 2.
Okay, 1 minute. Whatever I'm explaining, it is not displaying on the like YouTube. Simply, it's gone. I don't know what to do now. Whiteboard is there. 1 minute. Submitting is there. All right. Yeah. So tell me how much, how many hosts do we have here?
2 to the power n minus 2. That is 62.
2 to the power n minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here n indicates. N
Number
means
of bits
number of bits.
borrowed from.
No. Here number of remaining bits. Okay. How many bits are remaining in the host part now? 6 we have
2.
taken. 2, right? So answer will be 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4, right? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Only 2 IP address you will get here on each host. Done. Now,
Yes, sir.
what will be the subnet mask?
Wait, okay. What will be the subnet mask?
Hmm. Any idea how to calculate? You know?
Sir, I just forgot.
Yeah, no problem. See here, you have to type from reverse. Okay, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done.
Yes, sir.
So 2 to the power 7, how much?
190,
So wait, 2, 4, 8,
192.
16, 60, 60, 120. 128 will be right.
120, 120. Sorry.
Yeah. And 2 to the power 8 will be
192. Sorry.
256.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now formula is you have to plus all whatever bits you have borrowed for the network, right? The 6 bits. So you have to add all the values. For example, 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5. Got it? So if you add
Yes, sir.
all of this amount, what you will get total amount? Can you tell me?
So just trying to 160.
128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, 254.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Wait a second. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. That is 192. 30 or 32. That is 34. Sir, 256.
We have borrowed like 6 bits, right?
Yes, sir. 256 minus 6.
Wait,
250.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have borrowed 6 bit, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is not 254, it will not, I think it will be 252.
Yes, sir.
Let's recount, okay? Do 128, you have calculator, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do 128 plus 64
64.
plus 32 plus
Yes, sir.
16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2.
2 to the power 2.
Yeah,
Till 2 to the power 2 only.
yeah.
Not 2 to the
Okay,
power
yeah,
1.
yeah, it is not
Yes,
required.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Wait a second, sir. Just one second. Two 52.
252, right?
Yes, sir.
So the subnet mask will be
252.
252. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the simple formula. If you follow this three formula means it is very easy to find the subnet mask. No need to remember anything else.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now why we have subtracted 2 here? Can you tell me? What is the reason behind this?
Because it is network ID and broadcast ID.
Good. So what is network ID and what is broadcast ID? Can you tell me?
Broadcast ID, network ID where network starts, and for example, if we say 192.168.1.1, so
Hmm.
it is network ID. It is uh, provided to the network devices such as switches, routers. So it is not used in working
Good.
devices.
Okay. What about broadcast ID?
Broadcast ID where the devices connected, all the devices connected in given network. Sorry, unable to explain, sir. Mm,
Okay, see, this is simple. Okay, if somebody asks you what is the difference between network and broadcast, just simply tell them. Network ID is the first IP address of a network. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Broadcast ID is the last IP
The
address of a
last.
network. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, next
Yes,
is
sir.
what is the use of network ID and what is the uses of broadcast ID? Do you know this?
So, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as I'm able to see here, five users are watching this live streaming. So if you have any doubt, you can join the live streaming. I have provided the Zoom ID in the chat box, right? Just click on the link, enter the password 261039 and join the live session. Or else I'm also watching your comment. If you have any doubt, you can also ask me your doubt in the comment section below. Okay. Right now we are discussing about subnet mask. Okay. So Rahul, are you enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, Roshan, right? Sorry, I forgot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I able to explain easily or are you finding it a little tough?
Yes, sir.
I need your feedback.
Explaining easily just to crack interview or in simple words giving answers. I just move to examples just to elaborate in so lengthy processes.
Hmm. Now, subnetting is very easy for you, I am sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next is, wait 1 minute. Let me refresh this page. All right. So, we are in network ID and broadcast ID, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Network ID, if somebody asks you what is network ID and broadcast ID, what you will tell?
Network ID is the first ID of any network, and
Hmm.
broadcast ID is the last ID of any network.
Good. Now, what is the use of it? Let me explain you. You know what is the uses of network ID and broadcast ID?
Just to verify um,
If you know,
class,
if you like anything, if you have in your mind, just tell me. I want to know.
network ID is simply provided to uh, the devices such as switches and router,
Okay.
where where it divides where it separates
Okay.
from one host to many hosts,
Okay.
whereas broadcast ID simply broadcasts of that broadcast of that network, or may be used in just uh, it's a part called
No, it is not. See, okay, you have told that network ID we are going to use on a router and all, right?
yes, sir.
So why only network ID we can use? Why not other IP address that is there we cannot use in the network? What is the reason behind this? Can you explain?
Sir, when a device is subnetted, it may be changed from 1.1 to 1.10 or 10.1.
Mm-hmm. That is not the actual reason. Okay. See, I know these questions are simple, okay, but it simple questions don't come in our mind, right? The time I did the CCNA course, Even I had lots of doubt the time I used to talk to my, like, the time I asked doubt to my teacher. Like, all the students are keep laughing at me, these students keep asking doubt, keep asking doubt. Okay, but after class gets end, even then also I had lots of doubt. So after doing lots of research, doing the practical things and all, I have got a few ideas. That's the one reason I am keep asking the questions. Actually, these questions you should ask me, right, sir? Why it is like this, why it is like this? But I am only asking the questions and I am only answering. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, network ID. For example, here I have in a network hundreds of computer. Correct? Hundreds of computer are there. Now, this is a router. Correct? Here we have another network. Here also we have hundreds of computer. Correct? Now, if you configure the router, this device can communicate with any of these devices, correct?
Yes, sir.
And even any of these devices can also communicate with any of these devices, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here I have 100 computers, means 100 IP address, correct?
Yes, sir.
Here I have 100 computers, means here also I have 100 IP address.
Yes, sir.
So do you think it is possible to add 100 and 200 IP address in a router? Are you going to configure each and every PC in this router?
No, sir.
Are you going to add 100 IP address of all the host and all of these hosts in the router?
Yes, sir.
No, right?
Switch.
Instead of that, what you do, you only going to add the network ID. Correct? Network
sir.
ID means what? See, it's in the name only you will get the idea. Network ID means it is a unique ID of a network. Got it?
Yes, sir.
For example, 192.168.1.1 is a address, right? So instead of adding all the IP address, if you add only a single address to this router, means that is enough. Got it?
Sir. Yes.
I hope you got got the idea what I'm trying to explain you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And here also, if there is, for example, 172 network, right? Just only you enter the network ID. That is enough. No need to enter the IP address of all the computers. That is not possible. That is a headache. If some PC get changed from here, again you will get a headache, right? We're not going to configure each and everything again and again. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's come in the second point, broadcast ID. What is broadcast ID? For example, there are 100 computers in a network, here also 100 computers, right? Now, as a network admin, I want to check whether all the devices are working properly with the network or not, right? So, are you going to ping all the 100 computers one by one? Is it possible?
So lengthy process.
It's a lengthy process, right? So, instead of that, just we are going to ping the broadcast address. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And once you ping the broadcast address, means all of these devices are going to send a reply to the router. All the devices automatically they will reply to the router. So this is how easily you can identify, okay, I am getting IP address from this device, this, okay, it is working fine. I am not getting reply from this particular IP address, means there is a one faulty device in a network.
Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So you had any idea about these things and all?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever tried?
I just
You got the idea, right? Your voice is breaking, I think.
Sir, I tried it in my personal network, that is home network.
Okay. As I'm able to see, Satish has also joined. Hello, Satish. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying the class? Have you understand something,
Yes,
anything?
yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. I have understand that.
Okay, do you have any doubt related to subnet mask, network ID, IP address? You can ask me. I'm here to help you.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. But I have no doubt, sir.
Okay, okay, done.
Yeah.
You know subnet mask?
Yes. Yes, sir. Subject mass is uh, class 3, class 3, class B, and class A. Class A 255.0.0.0, and class B 255.255.0.0, class C 255.255.0, and 30-bit class, 30-bit class, 24-bit class, 24-bit class 255.255.255.0,
Good.
16-bit class 255.255.0.0, 8-bit class 255.0.0.0.
Okay, done. Got it. Thank you very much. Okay, so you know subnetting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rahul and what's your name?
Satish.
Satish. Satish. Okay. So let
Yes.
me ask you one more question. Okay. So here I have one subnet like IP address 172.16.0.0.
Uh, class B, sir.
Yeah, good. And here I am going to give you um, 20 slash 20. Now tell me
Uh,
how many network,
submitting mark.
yeah, how many network ID you will get, how many host you will
It,
get, and what will be the subnet
yes, sir.
mask. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Network ID is 172.116.0.0.
Hmm.
Network ID. Host is 255, 254. And a class B IP, sir. This is a class B IP, and
No,
subnetting is, sir, X 255.255 dot 240.0.
wait, wait. Okay. See, I am asking is how many number of network you will get here, and how many number of
Uh,
host you will get on each network. Can you tell me?
120 class B 16,000 7763, I think.
No. Okay, Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how many network do we get here?
Yes, sir. Wait a second.
Satish, just listen to him, okay? What he is telling, you will get the idea.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 16.
Okay, 1 minute. First, here we have 16 host by default, right? Class C, and here we have 16 network, 16 host. 448 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 16 we have to borrow 4 bits, right?
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4.
3, 4.
Okay, so what will be the network number of network?
2 to the power n.
2 to the power n, right?
Yeah.
Where n is equal to number of bits borrowed from host.
But from host part.
Yep.
Okay, bots borrow from host. So how many number of host do you have borrow?
Good.
4, right? Okay, that is equal to 16. So we have total 16 number of network. Here we'll get total number of 16 networks, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now how many number of hosts do we get here? What is the formula?
2 to the power n
2
minus
raised to
2.
2 raised to power h minus 2.
2 to the power n minus 2, right? Okay. Here n
Sorry,
means
sir. 2 to the power h, I think. Sorry, I
Yes, yes, sir.
said.
I think 2 raised to power
Yes.
h. What is
Host,
it, sir?
4 host, 4 host.
No, that is fine. Here I'm n means I'm asking number of bits. N.
Number of, okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
you can write n, you
Okay,
can
okay.
write
Yes,
h. I'm not asking for that. Okay, just to understand. Here n indicates number of host bits. That's why I've written n. So how many number of, like, what will be the number of host here? Tell me. Host bits, number of host bits, how many?
8.8 and a 16.
Here
Class
8.
up here.
Here we have 4. How much?
16, 12, sir.
12, right? So here 2 to the power 12 minus 2.
Minus 2.
What will be the answer?
2 to the power 12. Oh. 155. First, 1 second, sir. Calculator.
Yes, do calculation, no problem. Aram se, take your time.
4096 minus 2.
2096
Sorry, 4096, sir.
4096
By 2.
minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you did calculate so fast. How you did? Can you tell me?
Sir, normally using calculator. When you written question, I just started calculating all these things.
Oh, great. So you did right. For example, here it will be 2 to the power 12. Okay, it is done. You did right. Minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the correct answer will be 4092.
4.
Sorry, 4094. Good. 4094. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the number of hosts you will get on each network.
Okay, yes.
Done. Now what will be the
Yes, sir.
subnet mask? What will be the subnet mask of this network? Can you tell me?
Subnet master 255.255.240.0.
255.255.240.0.
240. Yes, sir.
क्या बात है, so fast. Wait, let me see. 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4.
92 from 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 6, 192.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So it will be
Yes, sir.
192 dot. Here all the bits are host bit, right? So it will be 0. Fantastic. So this is how easily you can find the subnet mask.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Actually, sir, I muted. It is
Sorry.
Actually, sir, 192, 128 plus 64, 192, 192 plus 32, two, sir, 240 आएगा सर.
240 आएगा.
या सर.
yes, sir. 192 की जगह
वही मैंने कैलकुलेट नहीं किया, बस मैं से आप लोग करेक्ट कैलकुलेट किए पर छोड़ दिया मैं. 240, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
got it done. Or else there is also another formula. From if you do from here reverse, right? To the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power
Just minus
3, right?
255.
That's minus it from
Yes.
255. You will get the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
That is
done.
the easiest way, right?
Yeah. Now there is one more easy option, but that option I really forgot because I am teaching you like, from last 1 year I didn't touch the network section, but after 1 year, just today I am teaching you for the first time. But still I
Okay.
remember, means okay, I am happy that even I didn't forget everything. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just
Yeah, that's why I was little, I was a little scary and all, right? Like whether I will be able to teach or not. I had no confidence, but let's try it. Give it a try. So this is also revision for me as well.
Yes, sir. I have also.
Yeah. So you have watched my video, right, Satish? I think.
Yes, sir. The lot of videos I watching this.
Subnetting also you have watched, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. The way you are like excited, I
Subnetting,
I
sub,
understand.
subnetting sir, Cisco packet testers, how to configure that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and mostly video I will watch there, sir.
Yeah, yeah, okay, done. Thank you very much. So, tell me any doubt you have, or you want to give me any ideas or something else. Let me know.
Sir, actually, sir, I'm just a learner, but I can't say to you, sir. You are try to best knowledge.
What?
I
I
mean,
think
sir,
he's saying that he is a learner and you must give knowledge something else.
Okay. No, I am also learner. See, I am not a teacher. I never teach anywhere. Okay. So
oh,
whatever videos you are watching on my YouTube channel, right? Most of the videos I have learned from YouTube by doing experiment from myself also. And I did course from lots of faculties. I
yeah, sir, yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah, first of all the time I learned from Jet King. So in Jet King I learned CCNA from 2 3 faculties back to back.
Okay,
Okay, because to be frank, I'm telling you, in institute, I didn't understand any concept about networking. Only I understand about the basics part, right? What is IP address and all. Subnettings, lots of faculties try to teach me, but it didn't get into my brain. But
okay, sir.
I don't know how I created these formulas and all. These formulas you will not get in the internet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will
It
not
is
get this
only
Yeah,
formula.
in
yeah.
like Twitter's.
Yeah, but this is only what I have created myself only. So how easily we can teach to the students and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then next.
I really need to revise all this CCNA again.
Yeah. And one more thing, very soon I am also going to planning to launch a new course that it is under process. So if you want to join, you are welcome.
Okay, sir. Sir, which
Okay.
name?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Which type of course, sir?
CCNA only. CCNA for a full from
Oh,
basics,
okay, sir.
from the
Okay, and
very
then
beginning.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the course is under process. See the I am not like someone like, for example, if somebody pays me means okay I will teach, I will take the money and go. It's not like that. My only option is I just want is whatever knowledge I have, I want to share with my audience. That's the
Yes,
only
sir.
one target, right? कोई बच्चा को उंगली पकड़ के सिखाना. I
बराबर.
yeah, I love to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं अच्छा है सर वो एक्चुअली कैसे यानी अपना नॉलेज अगर बांटोगे तो खुद अपना नॉलेज ही बढ़ता है ना.
वही बात. अभी देखो मैं सिखा रहा हूँ ना, तो मुझे खुद रिकॉल हो रहा है अभी. ठीक है, मुझे भी उतना नहीं
यस
पता. मैं सिखा कर ही सीख रहा हूँ, बात इतना ही है.
यस.
डन. सो अभी मेरा भी वेबसाइट पे काम चल रहा है. ऑलमोस्ट 80% इट इज़ रेडी. And
ओके सर.
I will also,
Website, sir.
yeah, I'm working on it, but I will let you know very soon. Okay. And you will also get a certificate that will be validate. Okay, you will get a genuine certificate once you complete the course also. I am planning to do that also. So
रियली
Joel is
ग्रेट सर.
asking question about CCNA links and page resources.
who is asking question?
Joel just joined our Zoom meeting.
Oh, wait. Hi Joel, welcome to this live session. Thank you very much for joining. You can unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Okay, what he's written the comment. Can I get the CCNA links and pages resources? Good evening. Yeah, Joel, I am currently planning a new course for you guys, and I hope you are going to join. Okay, I will share you as soon as possible. Okay, let's do one thing. Can you all like put your email ID and give it to me
यस सर.
so that whenever the course is ready, I will update you. email ID and contact number. If you are agree means you can send it, or else not required. If you want means I.
Sir, it is visible to YouTube or not, sir?
No, it will be not visible to YouTube. Don't worry.
So I send it in Zoom.
Yeah, you can send it to me. 1 minute, huh? Just wait. Don't send now. Wait 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, now.
Presentation. Where it is? Chrome Epic Pen. Give it a minute. Wait. Where it is now? It is not coming. Some document. Yeah, you can share. Yeah, you can share now. Okay. Copy.
I send it. It's
Yeah, I've got it. One minute.
a letter is missing last M.
1 minute. Okay, that .com, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Copy. Okay, so how can I contact you? Because this is only email. So you guys are active on email?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Daily. How I every 2 hours, sir.
Okay. Joel, are you there? If you would like to share your email ID, then you can share. I will update you once the course is ready. Okay. So let me explain you what is this course exactly about. Okay. So what I'm preparing is you will get many lessons. Okay. For example, unmute everyone. Okay. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Satish, unmute. Sorry, mute yourself, Satish. There is a
Okay,
noise
sir.
in the background. So mute everybody. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So what I was telling is in the course, like for example, right now I have explained you about IP address, right? So if you only learn IP address means it is not enough for you to prepare for the exam or interview, right? So after IP address, there will be a quiz that is completely related to IP address. There you will get around 30-40 quizzes that is related to completely IP address, right? Next, I will teach you about, for example, OSI model. Done. Then here you will get a quiz that is related to OSI model. Again, there will be TCP IP model, right? There will be a quiz that is related to TCP IP model, quiz section and all. So I am just preparing the course, and I think most probably next week I will launch the course. And because you are the earlier, right? You have recently joined, and the website is not 100% ready, and I have to do lots of new updates and all. So if you're interested, you can join it. And those who are going to join it in the early phase, then definitely you will get a lots of discount. For example, and one more thing, I just want to need one feedback from you guys. Like, what should be the course price? What do you think that everybody can afford it? Because I'm also teaching you live, right? Weekly class will be there. Like for example, right now I'm teaching you free of cost, but it's not about for the lifetime. In YouTube, only few basics parts only I'm going to cover, but for complete CCNA you have to join the course only. So what do you think? What should be the best price about the course? I need your feedback.
Sir, I think you may give us options just to select which
No,
is
I just
very
want to know.
convenient.
No, I just want to. That's why I'm, because as of now I have not yet decided the price.
Actually,
So as
actually,
compared to market, I'm telling, like market there are lots of price, right? So as
sir,
compared to market.
if you add here about CCNA or international examination,
Mm-hmm.
then price must be high because you just take price from the student, and when it is ready to give the answers during online exam, which is CCNA Cisco certified exam, then
Mm-hmm.
price will must be high.
Yeah. No, what I'm telling is, see, this is the my course only, right?
Just to teach,
Yeah, this is
just to teach. Mhm.
what I'm telling is, this is a my course, right? So for CCNA
Yes, sir.
certificates and all, definitely you have to pay extra, right? From here you cannot do the
Yes, sir.
CCNA certification. I will teach you. I can guide you how to get the, like, get the certificate. I will teach you. I will prepare you for the examination. I will also prepare you for the interview and all, right? Definitely, if you want to give the exam, on that case you have to pay the amount separately because CCNA price is very high. I hope you know that.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
actually, price is really high, but I want to what you selected price.
No, just I'm asking your feedback. What should be the price? Because as of now, I have not yet decided.
I
For
think
example, I may give you high price or I may give you very low price, right? So I just want to know, according to you, like there are lots of like coachings,
I
online coachings are available. So I want feedback from all of you guys, Satish, Joel, and Rahul. So what should be the best price? Because it will be weekly class will be there, and you will get the videos will be there. Videos are already ready about all the topics. The videos are already
yes, sir.
ready. But here bonus part is every week I will come live and I will teach you online and I will also take your doubt and solve it. And it will be practical. Just now how you did the class, right? Same like this I'm going to teach. So what do you think? What should be the price so that every people can afford?
Yes, so any ideas, Satish?
Okay, let me ask you one. Rahul, how much did you paid for your CCNA course?
Actually, I paid in a bunch of network, a bunch of studies such as CCNA plus 1 year diploma.
Okay, diploma on what you did? From where you did? CCNA is a separate course. Diploma is different, right?
So I paid joint. Sir, I think about sir, what is the duration time of course?
It will be around 45 days, 30 to 45 days. It will be complete, and it's also depend how quickly you achieve it,
Yes,
and
sir.
it
Actually, I think of near 25,000, sir.
25,000 you paid for CCNA.
No, sir. I paid in a bunch of studies such as CCNA,
Mm-hmm.
including CCNA and other things. I paid for diploma, so it is not 25,000. It is about 1 lakh.
Okay, you paid. So, what do you think? According to you, how much price they have charged for CCNA?
I think of from 19,000 to 24 or 25,000,
Okay,
maybe.
25,000, right?
I
Or
think,
let's assume
yes, sir.
25,000. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Satish, are you there? Satish, are you there? Unmute. Okay, I have to unmute. I think. Wait 1 minute. Satish, you can unmute from your end. Okay. And Joel, I am not getting any answer from you. So kindly let me know. It is going to help us.
So no one is unmuting.
Okay, they are not going to unmute. Okay. At least you can write it down in the comment section in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is so easy.
And the audience that are watching me live, you can join the Zoom class. Zoom class is almost going to over. No problem. Anyhow, I will try to come live again next. I'm not sure exactly because I am currently working with lots of other projects. So I'm not sure exactly. But yeah, whenever I come live, you will get the notification. So what do you think if I, like, for example, here you will get lots of, right? You will get recorded video plus live session plus quiz plus certificates plus there are lots of other stuffs as well. All right. I will also give you assignments and all. That is a separate part. So usually if you do from other institute or like online coachings and all, they are going to charge you minimum 10,000. This is the minimum price I am telling. 10 to
Yes, sir.
yeah, 10,000 to 15,000, this is minimum. Okay. And they are not going to provide you quiz and all. They will only going to provide you the recording stuffs and all. That's it. Right? But I am planning to provide you all of these stuffs, and not only this. Okay, not only this, there are many students who know only Hindi, correct? And there are many students who know only English. So I have prepared the course in two different languages. Okay, you will get in English all the videos as well as in Hindi also all the videos. And in a single course, I am giving you both of this in Hindi language as well as in English language. How cool is that? And I am planning the price only 5,000 rupees. So what do you think? Is it a good price or I need your feedback?
It is
Yes, sir,
really
this is
a
a good
very
price.
good price. Very good price, sir.
Yes. Satish, let me know your feedback.
Yes, sir. Yes, a good price, sir.
Good price, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is my planning. See, if you do course from online institute, right, from anywhere, they're going to teach you either in English or in Hindi or mixing or mix up, right? But
Yes, a mix up is the better way.
yeah, but here I will giving you both the languages, English plus Hindi. This is, I think, nobody is providing this type of courses. I am telling you guys. English plus Hindi
Yes.
in the same only. Plus there will be live session as well. Like this today you are doing the live class. You can ask your doubt. I will also give you lots of project. Not only this, okay. Whatever projects we are going to create in a network, I am going to share you all the notes, like whatever commands we have used here. Correct. Plus this project also you can download it and you can practice at your home as well. Each and everything. So I will update you about the course very soon. So thank you very much for joining and see you in the next live session. I hope everybody is going to join. And at what time you
Yes,
guys
sir.
are free? Can you tell me what is the best time to teach you guys online? At what time you are free and which day?
10 to 10 p.m. to yeah
10 p.m. I think it will be
10
very
p.m.
late, right? How it's 9 p.m.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
9 p.m. 9 p.m. Yes, sir. 9 p.m.
Rahulji, 9 p.m. is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Satish, is it okay?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Joel, is it okay? It's good. Joel is telling it's good. Yeah. Joel, where are you from? Let me know. Yes. Okay. It's 9 p.m. Yes, Ghana. Okay. So 9 p.m. is according to Indian time. So I will go live 9 p.m. Whenever it is there. Currently, you are not working, right? Anywhere? Are you guys working?
No, sir. I am a student, sir.
Okay, you're a student, right?
Still learning cyber securities and
Yeah.
moving further.
Great, it will be fine, no problem. So always focus on improving your skills. So whenever I will come live, I will try to come at this time only, 9 p.m. If I
Okay,
come,
sir.
if I come little early, is it
Yes,
okay or 8 p.m. How it is? Because if we come early, we can learn more. That's my mission. But you must be free on that time. That's why I'm asking.
sir, we are only three here. If anyone more join just like 10, 20, then it is able to decide a time again.
Yeah, no, but
So we
see,
are
for me, currently you are
in
three, right? So I am ask. I just want to
nine.
know three only. Nine is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Then we are going to start the live session at 9 p.m. And what about in the morning? Are you guys free in the morning time?
Actually, sir, I am practicing maybe take whole night 2, 3 a.m. So I am able to wake up in the morning till 11.
Okay, same here.
Because without practice, we are unable to get good.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So thank you very much for joining. And your
So,
Zoom meeting is going to
okay, sir,
end
sir,
in
sir,
just few. Yeah, tell me.
please email us, sir. Please email us because it is less than 1 minute, and I will reply whenever I am free. Just going to take the dinner.
Okay, I am texting you a mail right now. Just kindly share me your contact number as well so that I can add you in a group.
Okay, I will
So
send in mail.
yeah, so that because
My
every time
contact.
sending email to everyone, it's like not easy, right? I
Sir,
will. Yeah.
sir, my Gmail will show in spam if I reply.
All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining this live session. I really loved you guys. It's just a fantastic stream, and I hope everybody has enjoyed this session. And as of now, only 6 users are watching, and I am telling you guys, you have missed a very big opportunity. I have teach lots of things today, and as we know that like Rahul has joined, Satish has joined, Joel has joined, and they have learned lots of things tonight. Rahul, can you tell me anything to the audience what you have learned or how was the experience, because 6 users are watching right now.
Sir, experience was so amazing. I learned about class of IP address,
Mm-hmm.
how to find host, how to find network, what is network ID, what is broadcast ID, how to do subnet mask,
Mm-hmm.
and my personal question is about 7 layers of OSI model. So I firstly asked my question and get appropriate knowledge to answer anyone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is my mission. See, I am in a mission to teach my audience in the best and the easiest way, and I hope all the audience are going to join with me and help me to get success in my mission. All right. So currently I'm able to see 5 users are watching this live session. If anybody want to join the live session, you can join me because I'm going to end the stream just after 5 minutes. Okay, just we have 5 minutes left. So as I'm able to see 5 users are watching right now. So if anybody interested, if you want to ask me any doubt, you can join the session or you can also write it down in the comment section below. I'm going to wait for a few minutes. Let's see. And one more thing, I have to also buy the license for Zoom class. Okay, so if I get like lots of enrollment and all, then only I can afford, because it is, I think, bit costly if we buy the Zoom class, right? It is bit costly.
Uh, can we shift on Google Meet?
Google Meet is not as user friendly as Zoom class.
Yes, sir, because the main admin can mute other ones.
Yeah, about Google Meet means I have used Google Meet, but I didn't find lots of features. And Zoom class is very easy to operate. So that's why I'm using Zoom class. Meet is free, I know, but it is not so easy.
Skype is using higher data ranges, so
Yeah,
anyone unable to bear that.
and Zoom is also very popular. Like I know almost everybody is having Zoom
Yes, sir.
nowadays. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Drawing was my hobby in my childhood. I would love to make drawings and all, but after nowadays it's so much busy.
nowadays is changed into topology
Changing
of a
is
network
everything. In
system.
childhood, we used to say when I get older, then I used to play lots of games. No need to study and all. But now life is so much busy. Like there is no time to even watch the game. Playing it's
Drawing
what?
changes into topologies.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And also one more thing, like nowadays, digital marketing is in like high end. Many people are doing digital marketing. So
Digital marketing and crypto.
yeah, crypto is different thing, but digital marketing, there is a very good scope in this field. If somebody know digital marketing means they can make lots of money. Digital marketing, like for example, you have to sell something, you have to promote something, right? For everything digital marketing is required, for Google ads and all, right? So I'm just learning lots of things. See, in your life you should always keep learning and keep try to improve your skills, right? So I am also in the same field. I am just learning new things so that I can provide more better knowledge to my audience. I have also learned, like that what to say, uh, cloud computing, right? For AWS and all. I had learned, but due to
Okay, sir.
yeah, for but due to some reason, I was unable to complete the course. But if I get a good response from this course, means definitely I will try to like learn lots of new course, and I will provide you lots of more interesting courses to you guys. All right, then. Thank you very much, Rahul, for joining. I think no one is there to join the session. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, see you soon. I will text you an email. Okay, and I will. Are you using, like? Do you use what to Telegram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, because if I add a group on WhatsApp, means everybody is going to see the contact number. That is not secure, right? So in
Yes,
in
sir.
Telegram group, nobody can watch your contact number and all. So I think I
Okay,
will
sir.
add everybody in a Telegram group, so that from next time whenever we're going live, I will put your
I,
notification. Yeah.
I will reply my number on your Gmail and just add me, and I will direct message about some things related to our courses.
Yeah, done. Thank you very much for
Okay, sir.
joining. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Take care,
bye.
sir.
Bye
Good
bye.
night, sir.
Good night. Alright, guys, thank you very much for joining this live streaming. If now live streaming is already ended, now I will see you in the next class. So, those who are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.